Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can exchange your BUSD to BNB. So first of all you need to do is simply open up your Trust Wallet. Okay guys, and once you've opened up Trust Wallet, your next step, or the most important step, is to make sure you have BNB. That's the Smart Chain BNB. We need this for transactions and gas fees. So once you've been able to get yourself some BNB, if you can't get yourself some BNB, click on the buy option here and proceed to enter an amount of the crypto you wish to buy. The minimum is 6, so you can get $10 worth of BNB from Ramp, and click on the next and then proceed to add your bank information and complete the KYC. Now, once you've been able to get some BNB, your next step is to head over to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and simply search for BUSD. So once you've clicked on BUSD, select BUSD on the BEP20, seeing as that's the network we're using, the Smart Chain network. Click on this BUSD and proceed to click on the swap option and click on swap again. Click on swap BUSD. Now, by clicking on swap BUSD, you can simply swap your available BUSD, like $10 worth of BUSD here, to the BNB by simply clicking on approve BUSD and paying the gas fees for the approval. And once you've done this, you then be able to swap your $10 worth of BUSD into BNB. Now, another method of swapping your BUSD is simply sending your BUSD over to Binance. And you can do this by simply typing in the BUSD once more, clicking on the BUSD on the BEP20, clicking on the send option, minimize, open up your Binance. And before you can even receive the token, please make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged on, the icon at the top left that says deposit, click on this deposit option and simply scroll till you find the BUSD, or type in the BUSD in the search option. Once you've gotten your BUSD, select the network you wish to receive it in, and that's the BEP20. Click on this, copy this address, minimize, and simply open up your Trust Wallet once more. Now, with Trust Wallet opened up, click on the paste option, enter the amount of BUSD you wish to send. Let's say we've got 10. Click on the continue option and you simply pay the gas fees, and your BNB would then be deposited directly in your Binance. And you can do this, or you can confirm this, by heading over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're going to be dropped at the overview, where you simply do a reload and scroll from your spot. If your BNB is in here, scroll from spot to funding, and then you'd find your BUSD. Now, to exchange your BUSD for some BNB, head over to the home icon where we have the convert option. Click on convert and simply put in the place of BNB, BUSD, and where we have what you're converting to, select BNB and click on this funding wallet. Click on max, click on preview conversion and click on convert. Boom. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can do any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.